Hello everyone. In our Maths Magic series, we have started with multiplication episodes. In the last episode, we have learned how to multiply any number with 11 or 111 or 1111. So we have learned last time this. Okay. Now in our today's episode, we are going to learn how to find number when you multiply any number by 99 or with 999 or with 9999 in a very short time. Let us take some examples. Suppose we want to multiply 34 with 99. See the procedure what you have to do. First you reduce this number by 1. So what you will write down, instead of 34 we will write down 33. Now we are multiplying by 99. So in a very short period you can say what you will add to 3 to get 9, so it is 6. Again we have to add number 6 to 3 to get number 9. And see, you get the answer 3366. This is the answer. So once again I will explain. See what you have to do. You have to reduce this number by 1. Okay, so that you get 33. Now you have to add those numbers, those digits to this 3 and 3 so that you get total 9. So this is 3366. Okay, so I'll take another example. Let us see if you are able to do this or not. So if we have 67 into 99, we will reduce this number by 1. So it will become 66. Now how much you have to add 6 to get 9? It is 3. And here also we have 3. So we have very similar type of sums here. Okay, now suppose you have a single digit. Single digit 7 is there. Now we cannot multiply with 99. So what we will convert this into 2 digits. Okay, now what is one number less than this? So this is equal to 06. Again now we have to add a number to 0 to get 9. So that digit is 9. In 6 we will add 3 to get 9, and see we get the final answer, it is 690. Let us take two more examples. Suppose we have 58 into 99. As I told you, we have to reduce this number by 1. So we will write down this as 57. Okay. Now what is the number which you add to 5 to get 9? So it is equal to 4. Okay. And 7, if we add 2 to it, we get answer 9, and C we get final answer. Okay, now 27 into 99, reduce this by 1, so it is 26. We add 7 to 2 so to get 9, so this is 7. Now 6, if we add 3 to it, we get 9, and this is the final answer. Now let us see these examples where we are multiplying with 999. If you do actual multiplication, you will require a lot of time, but we are going to do very fast. Okay, so 123, what is the number which is 1 less than this? It is equal to 122. Now you have to add those digits so that we get sum is equal to 9. So in 1 we will add 8 to get 9. In 2 we will add 7, and again in 2 we will add 7, and see you get the final answer. Okay, now again this example 265. So we will reduce by 1, so it is 264. Okay, now we will add certain numbers to get the answer 9. So in 2 we will add 7, in 6 we will add 3, and in 4 we will add 5, and see we get the final answer. So such large numbers you can find out immediately. Now in this case we had here 3 digit and here 3 digit. But what happens if you have 2 digit and this you have to multiply by 999? What you will do, you will just write down 0 here, and the method remains same. So 079, one less number is 078. You have to write down 0. Okay. Now, what number you should add to 0 to get 9? It is 9 itself. In 7 we will add 2 to get 9, and in 8 we will add 1 to get 9, and C we get the final answer. Now let us multiply with 9999. Okay, so method will remain same. What is the method? We will take one number which is less than this. So it is 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay, now we have to search for those digits so that we get addition 9. In 1 we will add 8. In 2 we will add 7. In 3 we will add 6. Again in this 3 also we will add 6. So see, you get the final answer so quickly. Okay, so same method is applicable here also. Now 2308, one number less than that is equal to 2307. Okay, now let us find out the digits so that we get addition 9 every time. So 2 we will add 7, addition is 9. 3 we will add 6. In 0 we have to add 9 itself, and in again 7 we will add 2, and see, we get this number quickly. Is it clear? Now only one thing you have to remember: when we are multiplying with 4 9s or 3 9s, the number of digits here should be less than or equal to this. That means if we have 4 9s, the digit here, number of digits here should be less than or equal to 4. And then you can find out the multiplication very easily. I hope you have understood this properly. Please do practice, and this is going to help you a lot in your calculation. Thank you.